Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Here we're looking at the Heights at 1520. The Heights in 1520, these are in the Heights area of Houston, Texas. And we're in their two-story gym. This is really big. There's a lot to cover here, so let's go to it right now. First of all, there are two little studios here. So that's a micro studio. It's got two spin bikes, so you can have a separate video playing of where you would be, whatever the program is you'd be doing. Here's another room that's over here. This has an echelon that's over there. That's pretty cool. And then you've got the actual regular part of the gym. There is some pretty sophisticated, cool equipment over here. This gym racks. That's going to give you a fantastic workout. That's over here. You are going to have this Stairmaster machine that's over here. There's the pool over there. We're going to see that in just a minute. Really pretty pool. But then also, you've got some great equipment over here. You've got a bench press. You've got some free weights that are over here. So pretty impressive already with just what I'm seeing. Upstairs, we're going to go and you're going to see some more cardio equipment. So we're going up there right now. You're going to see it. But it's right here. Pretty cool. You're gonna see, looks like 3 treadmills right there. You're gonna see a rowing machine, elliptical, and then kind of a bike machine. So all of this is here. I would say this is an A- gym. The size is great. I love the space. You can see it's about 11:30. There's no one here, so you're gonna be easily able to get a workout. And I love all the extra touches too. So I'd say A-. Really nice gym. If you have any questions at any time, send me a text. And if you want to take a tour at any time of the Heights 1520, send me a text as well. I can set that up immediately. It's always free. Hey, so I'm going to go ahead and pop out into the outside of the pool. Let's come with me. Let's do that on the next video.